Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I just curled my one eye. I'm just gonna do a tutorial on mascara and what my favorite mascaras are. I've been trying several just to see what one I really like. So to start off, I have curlers. They're just Revlon. I just love red and black, so. But what I do is I take my blow dryer. I don't leave it on there, but I just get it slightly warm. I just feel like it styles it better. Don't have any mascara on when you're doing this. And let me do it on this one. Okay, and then you're just going to go like this. And slightly push it, not too much. Supposed to count to 5, take it off, and then I just put it back on, count to 5, till I get the result that I want. And it's really gonna it's really gonna bring your eyes out without mascara. So now that I had already curled my eyes, let me just redo this one real quick. We're going to apply the mascara. Just do this. Okay. So I'm going to apply the mascara. Now, some of my mascaras, this one is my all-time favorite. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's Voluminous False Fiber Lashes. Now, I already have really long lashes naturally, but this like really brings my eyes out, and it just puts false fibers obviously on your lashes. This is waterproof. It is hard to come off, and that's why I quit using it because it kept like gunking my prosthetic eye up. So yeah, if you have this, make sure you have makeup remover. But I love this. But today I'm not going to be using this. Another one. This is the new one that I just got. Is Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. I do like it, but then I don't. But yeah, I use it when I just want a new mascara. The one I use all the time is Scandal Eyes Retro Glam. This is unopened, obviously. That is what the brush looks like. I am just a big one for big poofy brushes. The false fiber lashes don't have a big poofy brush, but it definitely works. Okay, so today, the one I've been using lately, sorry, I dropped something, is Voluminous Feline. And I like cheetah anyhow, so that's why I got it. I love this stuff. It is not waterproof, and that's what I want. Oh, this is waterproof. Sorry, this does say waterproof. I thought it was not waterproof. That's why I've been using it. Well, I like it. So, I'm going to apply. Without my mirror, I'm going to try to. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. Okay. Now, I don't know if I can do it right there. We're going to have to try. Okay. How I do it is I am going very lightly, very gentle. Like I said, I have naturally really long eyelashes. Smells like something is burning. Okay. I'm liking it so far. It's looking good. Oops, sorry. Okay. Really sorry with this camera moving everywhere. I think it's actually kind of funny because I never notice when people put on makeup the silly faces that they make. I always have my mouth open. Not like that, but... Now, I'm not a big one that wears a lot of makeup. I seriously only wear mascara and that's it. I do have sensitive skin, so I can't put anything on my face or I'll break the heck out and I don't like it. So I just stay natural. Okay. I try not to apply too much mascara. The idea is to go light and gentle because your eyelashes are like really super grady is what I would call it. Just trying to even it out because I like my eyes like that. Now, people with prosthetics, okay, so when I'm sitting here, my eye is open for quite a long time. It seems to stick. It is annoying. Just get the false tears that the doctor gives you. Just drop a drop in there. I promise it works. It's just really annoying, and like my eye will get stuck open and I'll go like this and it's just like not shutting. I don't like it. It's just a tip for people with prosthetics. Okay. I don't even have any mascara on this eye. This is my false eye. And that's what I was saying about my lashes are like really super long on that side. Gonna apply some now. Okay. Just getting a little bit more on the brush. And I always wipe it off the brush a little bit. Like I said, I don't like too much makeup. It's just something big that I just know is that I always have to take my time on my eyelashes or they will come out screwed up, stuck together. And in places I don't like. Yeah. They say to just wiggle it a little bit to get it on all your fibers, all your lashes. Okay, I'm like really liking this stuff. And I do always get some right here. It always just wipes right off for me, so. Okay. I just always try to dab whatever's left on the brush on my bottom lashes. Whoop. I like. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Remember, okay, so this is the final result, which I like. This is the mascara. Oops, sorry. Voluminous Feline with the nice cheetah print. And I'm really liking it. Now, after it dries a little, I might just go back over with one more coat. Like I said, I don't heavily put on makeup. I am all natural. But I do like it to define my eyes a little bit more. So, and obviously I can tell that this one is better than this one. And it's just because, I don't know, my lashes are just so much better on this side. Now, before I end the video, I have been trying Brow This Way. If you can see it. That's what it's called. Where's the label? Brow. Sorry, I'm really trying to get it in here. Brow This Way. This is just a brow gel. But I have done shaved my eyebrows. I have done probably had them every shape you could possibly think of. And it's not good. My eyebrows keep getting really sparse. So I honestly have not even tweezed them or anything in months. They're not looking too shabby. But I've been putting this on. And it's just brow styling gel with argan oil. And I know argan oil is good for your hair. So I just figured maybe it would just help my brows out a little better. And so I'm just going to show you what I do. I'm not sure if this is what it's for. I don't think it is. I think it's just to hold them in place after you style them, but you dip it in the container, and it looks just like an eyelash one, and I just go up and I'm just gently applying this, if you can see, just gently applying this. Okay, now what I do, see I got some hair right there, but I go like this to bring these little things out. Okay, my eye is starting to stick again. I didn't put any of the tears in, but I will. Okay, next, this brow. My hair is just getting caught up in this. Okay, and I just bring it outwards like this. And this, it doesn't harden. I mean, it hardens, but it's like a soft harden, and I love it. And it holds them right in place all day. I love it. I do have to get them trimmed, but for now, I'm trying to just grow them. I'll give you the final look. I'm really sorry about this camera moving. I'm just trying to show you guys and move around at the same time. Is this. Okay. Well, that's all for today, folks. Enjoy. Please comment, subscribe, like, share. Hit your notification button to get notifications when I got a new video. And we'll see y'all later.